When it comes to keeping your home safe, traditional locks and alarms are no longer enough. From smart devices to clever hidden safes, the latest home defense gadgets give you an edge against intruders and emergencies alike. Let's dive into 30 amazing gadgets you can get today to make your home safer. All product links are in the description below. Number 30, Smart Window Break Sensor. This compact sensor detects the sound of glass breaking and immediately sends an alert to your phone. Easy to install on any window, it also works with smart home systems for instant notifications. Lightweight yet durable, it's perfect for apartments, homes, or offices. Number 29, Laser Motion Detector. This high-precision motion detector uses invisible laser beams to sense movement across doorways or hallways. When triggered, it sets off a loud 110 decibel alarm and flashes bright lights to scare intruders. Adjustable range makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Before we move on to the next gadget, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more amazing home security tech. Number 28, Portable Personal Panic Alarm. Small enough to attach to a keychain, this device emits a deafening 130 decibel alarm when activated. It's a perfect personal safety tool and can alert neighbors or family in case of emergencies. Rechargeable via USB and pocket friendly, you can carry it anywhere. Number 27, Smart Doorbell Camera. See, hear, and speak to visitors no matter where you are. This Wi-Fi enabled doorbell records high-definition video, detects motion, and instantly alerts your phone. With night vision and two-way audio, it's like having a virtual guard at your front door 24/7. Number 26, Wireless Security Spike Lights. These motion-activated lights deter intruders by suddenly illuminating dark areas around doors, driveways, or gardens. Solar-powered and weatherproof, they combine security with eco-friendliness, making them easy to install without complicated wiring. Number 25, Hidden Wall Socket Safe. Disguised as a standard electrical outlet, this wall safe offers a secret compartment to hide cash, keys, or small valuables. Easy to install and fire resistant, it provides discreet protection without taking up extra space in your home. Number 24, Smart Smoke and CO Detector. Not only does this device detect smoke and carbon monoxide, but it also sends real-time alerts to your phone. Compatible with voice assistants, it can trigger alarms, lights, or even smart sprinklers to keep your home and family safe. Number 23, Magnetic Window and Door Locks. These locks use strong magnets for extra security on sliding doors or windows. Easy to install without drilling, they add an invisible layer of protection against forced entry while maintaining a sleek look. Number 22, Personal Home Drone Patrol. Small portable drones patrol your property on a preset route, sending live high-definition video to your phone. Motion detection triggers alerts and recordings, giving you real-time surveillance and peace of mind wherever you are. Number 21, Smart Safe Deposit Box. This compact safe uses fingerprint recognition, PIN codes, or app access to protect your valuables. Fireproof, tamper-proof, and easy to carry, it's perfect for storing jewelry, passports, or important documents safely at home. Number 20, Smart Floodlight Camera. This all-in-one floodlight combines bright LED illumination with a high-definition security camera. Motion detection triggers both the lights and real-time alerts to your phone. With two-way audio, you can speak directly to anyone on your property, whether it's a visitor or a potential intruder. Weatherproof and easy to mount, it's ideal for driveways, gardens, and backyard areas. Number 19, Door Reinforcement Bar. A simple yet powerful way to prevent forced entry. This adjustable steel bar fits under any doorknob to lock doors from the inside. Compact and portable, it's perfect for apartments, hotels, or emergency situations at home. Its non-slip rubber feet keep the door secure without scratching floors. Quick to install, it provides instant peace of mind. Number 18, Motion-Activated Alarm Stickers. These clever stickers can be placed on doors, windows, or cabinets. When someone disturbs the sticker, a loud 120 decibel alarm goes off, alerting you instantly. They're small, easy to apply, and battery-powered for hassle-free installation, a low-tech solution with a surprisingly big impact. Number 17, Hidden Bookshelf Safe. Looking like an ordinary hardcover book, this safe features a secret compartment to hide cash, passports, jewelry, or USB drives. Fire resistant and tamper-proof, it blends seamlessly with your other books for maximum discretion. Ideal for offices, living rooms, or bedrooms where you want valuables out of sight. Number 16, Outdoor Solar Motion Spike Alarm. Designed for gardens or patios, this device looks like a harmless garden stake but hides a motion-sensitive alarm. When triggered, it emits a loud siren and flashes bright lights, scaring away animals and intruders. Solar-powered, weather-resistant, and easy to reposition, it's an eco-friendly security addition. Number 15, Smart Keypad Lockbox. This robust lockbox lets you securely store spare keys, access cards, or small valuables. With a customizable PIN code, you can grant temporary access to family, friends, or service personnel. Weatherproof and tamper-resistant, it provides peace of mind whether you're home or away. Number 14, Wireless Driveway Sensor. Keep an eye on the approach to your home with this long-range sensor. When movement is detected, it sends an instant alert to your smartphone and can trigger connected alarms or cameras. With easy installation and up to a half-mile range, it's perfect for larger properties or remote entrances. Number 13, Panic Button System. This compact device can be placed anywhere in your home. Pressing it triggers loud alarms, lights, and sends alerts to pre-selected contacts. Perfect for seniors, families, or anyone wanting immediate help during emergencies. It's small, discreet, and extremely responsive. Number 12, Indoor Security Spotlight. These motion-activated LED spotlights illuminate hallways, staircases, or any dark corners whenever movement is detected. They help prevent accidental falls, scare off intruders, and double as an energy-efficient lighting solution. Easy to plug in, no installation required, and provides adjustable brightness. Number 11, Smart Door Strike Lock. Upgrade any standard door with this smart strike lock that integrates with your smartphone. It can lock or unlock doors remotely, log access history, and even alert you when someone attempts unauthorized entry. Compatible with most home automation systems, it's like giving your door a brain of its own. Number 10, Smart Window Film Alarm. This thin, almost invisible window film adds an extra layer of security. When someone tries to break the glass, the film triggers an alarm that sends instant alerts to your phone. Easy to apply on any window, it's tamper-proof, weather-resistant, and perfect for apartments or homes with lots of glass surfaces. Number 9, Motion Detecting Laser Grid. Create an invisible laser perimeter around your home with this innovative security gadget. The grid detects movement across doorways, hallways, or driveways. Once triggered, it emits a loud alarm and flashes lights, instantly alerting you and scaring off intruders. Adjustable and portable, it's ideal for temporary or permanent setups. Number 8, Smart Mailbox Alert System. Never worry about stolen mail again. This sensor attaches to your mailbox and sends a push notification when it's opened. Compatible with smartphones, it allows you to track deliveries in real time, making it perfect for securing checks, parcels, or sensitive documents. Number 7, Hidden Wall Clock Safe. This ordinary-looking wall clock doubles as a secret safe. The compartment behind the clock face is perfect for storing jewelry, cash, or important documents. Fire-resistant, discreet, and easy to install, it keeps valuables protected without drawing attention. Number 6, Smart Garage Door Protector. This gadget connects directly to your garage door and sends alerts when it's left open or tampered with. With smartphone integration, you can open or close the door remotely and even set schedules. A simple way to prevent break-ins or theft from your garage. Number 5, Wireless Glass Break Detector. Unlike traditional alarms, this compact device listens for the unique frequency of breaking glass. It sends instant alerts to your phone and triggers a loud siren if glass is shattered. Easy to install on windows or glass doors, it's a must-have for ground-level apartments and homes. Number 4, Smart Personal Defense Robot. This small mobile robot patrols indoor spaces and integrates with your smart home system. It detects motion, records high-definition video, and emits alerts or sirens when it spots unusual activity. A futuristic way to add both surveillance and a deterrent in your home. Number 3, Portable Pepper Spray Alarm. Combining personal defense with home security, this device sprays a safe, non-toxic irritant while sounding a 120 decibel alarm. Compact and easy to place near entry points, it provides both a deterrent and a warning signal for anyone attempting forced entry. Number 2, Smart Fireproof Document Bag. Keep important papers, passports, and digital storage devices safe from fire, smoke, and theft. This fireproof bag can be locked and monitored through a companion app, sending notifications if tampered with. Compact enough to store in a safe or hidden compartment, it offers peace of mind for sensitive items. Number 1, AI-powered security drone. This advanced drone uses AI to detect unusual activity around your property. It autonomously patrols outdoor areas, records high-resolution footage, and sends real-time alerts to your phone. With night vision and obstacle avoidance, it acts like a vigilant aerial guard, ensuring your home is monitored 24/7. And there you have it, 30 cutting-edge gadgets designed to protect your home, valuables, and loved ones. From invisible sensors to AI-powered drones, today's technology makes home defense smarter, faster, and more effective than ever. Which gadget would you add to your home? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and share this video to help your friends keep their homes safe too. Stay secure, and thanks for watching.